वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायं अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम् सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम् अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः। अयुन् ऋलृक् एओङ् ऐऔच् हयवरट् लन् न्यामाङाणनम् झभै घढधश् जबगडदश् खपचठथ छटतौ कपै शशसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अकुग विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचुयशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ न्यामाङाणनानां नासिका च एदैतोः कण्ठतालु ओदौतोः कण्ठोष्ठम् पकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
बकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिगता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामानास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
The 10 sutras. Have you memorized or in process?
Almost.
Yes,
Okay.
in process.
Samhitayam
Samhitayam
Checha
Checha
Angmahoscha
Almangoscha
Dirgad
Dirghat
Padantadva
Padantadva
Iko Yanachi
Iko Yanachi
Yanachi
Yecho Yava Yavaha
Echo Yava Yavaha
Vanto Yipratye
Vanto Yipratyaye
Datostannimittasyeva
Dhatostannimittasyeva.
Yes. Here from here we'll chant 37th Sutra. Samhitayam
Samhitaya
Iko Yanachi
Iko Yanachi
Yata Sankhyamanudesha Samanam
Yatha Sankhyam Anudesha Samana
Yecho Yava Yavaha
Echo Yava Yavaha
Ekah Purva Parayogo
Ekam Purva Parayoho
Akasavarne Dirgaha
Akasavarne Dirghaha
Adgunaha
Adgunaha
Vriddhirechi
Vriddhirechi
Engah Padantadati
Engaf Padantadati
Lopashakalyasya
Lobasakalyasya
Atascha
Atascha
Upasargadriti Dhatau
Upasarga Dritidhadau
Vasupya Pishalehe
Vasupya Vishalehe
Enghi Pararupam
Engi Pararupam
Shakandvadishu Pararupam Bachyam
Chakandvadishu Pararupam Vajyam
Otoshtayogo Samaseva
Otloshtayo Samaseva
Etyedatyutsu
Etyedhatyutsu
Akshaduhinyam
Akshaduhinyamupasankhyanam
Swadire Rinoho
Swadirenoho
Praduho Dodhyeshaishyeshu
Pradudhodhyeishyeshu.
You have to read 3-4 times to get familiar with this Pratikam. Praduhododye shaishyeshu. Okay. You have to read letter by letter. Praduhododye shaishyeshu.
Yes.
Okay.
I think when this is a Mahaprana, the do Mahaprana.
Huh?
In this sutra, maybe a mistake in this file.
Right.
The do should be Mahaprana.
Pradu, maybe. Okay, I'll check this. Is it Mahaprana?
Prat, uho, prat.
You're typo. Okay, let me check.
Uha, odha.
Yeah, Mahaprana. It's a mistake. Yeah, this is what you're saying, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Praduhodhodye shaishyeshu. Yes, you're right. Because Uda and it's sitting there. Yeah, Oda. Yes. Okay, then. Pravatsara Balavasana Dasharnamrne. See, not difficult. Pravatsara Kambala Vasana Darshanam Rene. So you read 5 times, it will come. Pravatsara Kambala Vasana Darshana Dashan. Sorry, Dash. It is Kambala. It's a here also typo is okay. Vasa. Oh, that's a typo. I took it from this, but typo is there. Pravatsara Kambala Vasanarna. This is Vasanarna Dasha. Okay. Dashanam Rene. So the whole thing is something I copy from the somewhere. So it's a mistake. Okay, this is what this is. Pravatsara Kambala Vasanarna Dashanam Rene. Please do it.
Pravatsara Kambala Vasanarna Dashana Mrene.
Yes.
Prabhata.
Rite cha tritiya samase.
Rite cha
Tritiya
tritiya
samase.
samase.
Om Manghoscha.
Om
Manghoscha.
Pato Gune.
Ato Gune.
Gune.
Up to that, we'll try to see today. The last class we saw article number 1 under Eti Edati Utsu. Eti Edati Utsu. Eti Edati Utsu Sutram ordains what? Vriddhi.
Yes.
To
Vriddhi.
Purva Parayogo. Vriddhi in the place of? Vriddhi in the place of what?
This is
Vriddhi in the place of Avarnanta. Sorry?
Sorry, yes.
Vriddhi in the place of Avarnanta Upasarga followed by a form of the dhatu beginning with H letter, Eti, Emi, Yeshi, Edhate, like that. Right?
Oh, but
That's
this
what we
is
saw.
also with the only with the Upasarga?
Avarnanta, not Upasarga. There's Upasarga Anuvati here. Avarnanta.
Okay.
So Avarnanta means you will have generally Upasarga. What else here? All the examples are with Upasarga only. That's why I said Avarnanta. Is there any example without Upasarga? I don't think so. Only Upasarga examples are given also for this. So I said Avarnanta. Avarnanta Uttarasya. Eti is a form of the form of Indatu. Eti is a Kriya Padam. So therefore it has to be Upasarga, right? What else it could be? That's why I said Upasarga. Though in the Sutram it is Upasarga, not there. Upasarga, the word coming as Anuvritti. In fact, it is there in the Sutra 6191. It is later. But here Upasarga not there. But if you see all the examples are all with Upasarga. Upasarga, Upasarga, like that. I've not seen any Any upasarga with different. Or avarnanta. Possible. Suppose if you do avarnanta, why? Okay, it's very interesting thing because you asked this question.
Because if we
Avarnanta upasarga is one thing. Second thing is, if you do lang lakara, then also possible. Lang lakara, you get avarnanta art agama, right? Interesting. So there also it happens like this only. So we can take that. It's a good one. That example I have not done. Probably I will do it now. It will be interesting. Yes, it's a good one. See.
The agama also. Agama.
Yeah,
Also.
that's why ad, avarnanta. Not only upasarga, avarnanta. Upasarga also possible. And lang lakara, art also possible. That is why intelligently Panini Maharshi has put this before. If it is upasarga, that comes later. 6191.
91, yes.
Here it is need not be upasarga. That is, the purva padam need not be upasarga. It can be upasarga or it could be art agama, like lang lakara. So I'll give that example. See, I've given this two example right here.
Correct.
I will
This
give
upasarga.
this is with upasarga. And now I will give without upasarga other example. Suppose if you take.
But what if it is like a word, meaning, for example, Rama eti, Lakshmi goes.
Rama plays eti cannot. Rama eti means what? Rama eti.
No, not the Ramaha.
Sambodhana is saying. You're saying Sambodhana.
No, not Sambodhana. The Rama, meaning Strilinga.
Yeah, possible. Yes. Why not? Yes. Rama plus eti. If you are doing Sandhi, then Avarnanta Shabda, yes. Rameti, Rama plus eti. Yes. That is possible. Rama plus eti. Yeah, that's right. So, Avarna followed by this only. So, Rama also possible. Even Sambodhana Rama also. You say Rama. Even if you say Rama, that is also possible. But Rama plus eti, what you said, Rameti, that is done by Vriddhi Rechi. Why do we need this?
Yes.
That is done by 61788 itself, right?
Correct.
Then why here? So that which cannot be done by that, this does.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So therefore, Vriddhi Rechi alone is enough for Rama plus eti. Right? We don't need this sutra for that. But this sutra it is given because it's Avarnanta Upasarga. That is why it is given Upasarga or yes, for such cases only it is given. That's what we have to take. So even though Upasarga not mentioned, actually we have to take it as an Upasarga. Yes. Yes, this is right. I said Art Agama is artist vriddhi. That also it is done. That also it is not required. Okay.
Yes.
I thought of doing that, but I just came. Artist vriddhi, that sutra is that does the job. So we don't need, therefore, only Avarnanta Upasarga for all our practical purposes. You understand what I'm saying? NSG. No? NSG, follow what I see. He said, he was saying, Rama was saying, this eti, just to take an example for eti, should be preceded by a word ending with a. So suppose a word is Rama plus eti. So here Rama iti he says. Now I said, this is Vriddhi Sandhi. Vriddhi itself will do. Why do you want this sutra? All right. Vriddhi Rechi itself will do. So we don't require this sutra. It's unnecessary. Okay. Therefore, that is ruled out. Now, second thing, if you take, suppose, in dhatu, lang lakara rupa. Suppose if it is lang lakara. Now, lang lakara you take. In just do, you may not follow this, but it's okay. Lang lakara rupa will be like this. This is shap comes and shap goes away. So art agama will be here. Shap comes and shap goes away. That E will become I. A plus I. What will happen? R plus I. Atashcha vriddhi, by that it will become ith. Right? And also atashcha vriddhi. Therefore, here also not required. Suppose if Upa Upasarga is there, Upa plus Atagama, then Upa plus I. Upa plus I. Supa plus ith. Here now what will happen? The question comes.
Correct.
Here, Upa plus ith, what will happen? Think. Upa plus ith will be?
Engi para Rupam, this will be the first option.
Yeah, Yengi Pararupam. Yengi Pararupam cannot be applied because Yengi I is not a part of Yengi, right?
Yeah, only the A, O.
So, therefore, what will happen? A plus I will become A plus I. Again, it is
I
only. It is again only I only. So, Upa plus I is I. So, we need the sutra. That's it. Okay.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay.
So,
Is
this is same as the previous
implies.
one. Nothing new. This is example is same as the previous example. I've taken lang lakara yeti. Here it is let lakara yeti. Here lang lakara it. That's all the differences. Okay, let me write this as an example. I'll put this as a second example. Here I given lat lakara example. Lang lakara rupam of indatu is, I'll write like this. It is ith. Star mark. So you have to know how that comes. Star mark here, I will put it. That is the same as like this. If you don't follow, please tell me. I'll explain again. I'm just doing lang lakara form. Lang lakara rupam of indatu. Here it is lat lakara. In plus tip eti. Now lang lakara went. He went plus it is takara. Shap will come, shap will go away. If it is lang lakara, what will happen? This is ajadi dhatu. Therefore, you remember? Art agama will come.
Yes.
A plus T, vriddhi will happen. You know that. So that vriddhi, that agama thing we will do later. So shap comes and shap goes away. So for here, what happens is because of the following pratyaya takara, E will undergo guna, that becomes A. Now A plus A will become I, and you will have ith. This is how you get ith.
Correct. There is one T here in the middle. The T should be.
Yeah, I will change it. Yeah. Yes. Lang lakara, we have takara, patata, apatata, apatata, apatan. So this ith only is here. Now upa plus ith. What will happen? A plus I.
I don't.
So A plus I is I only. A plus I. You can apply this sutra. Even vriddhi sandhya also is same only. Even vriddhi sandhya also, the same thing will happen, right?
But the ending is upait.
Upait, yes.
Yes.
Okay, now here A plus I is what sandhi? A plus I becomes I. What rule? The current rule, right?
This is very direct.
Yeah, no. Current rule. Eti edati utsu. The sutra what we are saying.
Yes. No, yeah, but
right?
This is okay. But in this sutra, the anuvriti is echi, and this is I. This is I.
Yeah, I is a part of H only, right?
Yes.
You cannot apply yengi pararupam.
Correct.
But I is a part of. Now, what I want to
yes.
say is, see, here you can apply vriddhi sandhi. Vriddhi sandhi number is 6-1.
88.
87, right?
I have a 88.
Sorry, 88. With this 688. And 88 also 89. When these two sutra, both are applicable. In this example, both the sutra, any one of the sutra, we can apply. Because, I mean, both are applicable, right? A plus I, what will happen? I only. So that Aikarade Vriddhi Adesha is possible through Vriddhi Rechi. It is possible also through the current sutram, Eth Yedat Utsu, because Ait is a form of Indatu, beginning with H letter, preceded by Avarna, therefore Vriddhi Adesha, right?
Correct.
Any follow? Now,
I have difficulty to
understand. I'll let you know. Yeah.
to
Let's see.
split this. This 80 utsu. I don't remember.
Eti, Edati. Utsu, leave it. Not required. You take this only.
Okay.
If you remember, Eti means Indatu. I told you Dhatu Nirdesha. Last class we saw. The last
Yes.
Yuga we saw. Dwapara Yuga, Treta Yuga. Last class becomes one Yuga, we forget. So it's very difficult to remember what we studied in the last class.
Yes.
I should have given a summary of what we saw the last class, but
Dhatu Nirdesha.
time will go. Okay, that's why I didn't do. We saw the last class. Remember, that is Dhatu Nirdesha. Eti means the form of Indatu beginning with H letter. I mean, the form of this Eti. Okay, you understand like this. Eti stands for Indatu. Edati stands for Ed Dhatu. Ed Dhatu Atmanipadi. Indatu Parasmipadi.
Yes.
Now, when you decline,
Stip Pratyaya.
that's fine. Okay, even if you don't remember that, it's fine. Dhatu Nirdesha, leave it. No problem. Not required. Eti is nothing but Indatu. Edati is, okay. For your understanding, I can write like this. Dhatu Nirdesha, if difficult, leave that. No problem. Eti is equal to in. The dhatu, okay, in means to go, like gach. And Edati, which is equal to Ed dhatu. If you understand this, is enough. Edati means Ed dhatu, in means, Eti means in dhatu. Now, the form of in dhatu, in tenses, in different tenses and moods, past tense, present tense, future tense, the form of in dhatu, if it begins with H letter, H means what? A, O, I, O. O, O cannot be. So leave that. It has to be either A or I. Similarly, Ed also. It has to be either A or I. Why then you say H, O, and O unnecessary? See, not required. H is just bringing us anuvritti from the Vriddhi Rechi. It's easy. Should we write only A and O? We have to use 2 words and 2 things you have to use. Only saving one letter is putrotso manyante vayyakaranaha. 2 letters unnecessary you have to use. Therefore, bring H. And you don't require O and O. Only A and I, that is required. So, the form of Indatu and Edidatu beginning with Ekara or Aikara follows Avarnanta Shabda. Shabda ending with A or A. Right? Then Purva Parayogastane Vriddhi Adeshaka Bhavati. This is what the sutra. That is what the sutra says is. In other words, I'll write here. That is Avarnanta, whatever may be. Shabda, Upasarga. Better to take Upasarga. Why that I'll tell you. Followed by a form of Indatu beginning with H. So Indatu, Eti is one example I'm giving, Latlakara. Similarly, Latlakara, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha. What about Lang Lakara? Lang Lakara, Ait. So so many forms possible. What about it is, suppose if it is for Lot Lakara, what will be the form of think? what will be the form of in dhatu in lot lakara? Lot means, potential. What do you call potential, or what do you say it?
Lot is imperative.
Yeah,
Imperative.
imperative potential, yes.
Imperative.
Oh, yeah, what will be the imperative? Potential is link, yes.
I think etu, ehi.
Etu, yes, exactly. He becomes etu. So that also you can consider etu. And Madhyama Purusha is ihi. Uttama Purusha is ayani, ayava, ayama. Right? In dot lakara. Similarly, lang lakara, if you take ait, okay, lang lakara already I have done. You can do ait, aitam. In fact, it is aitam. Then what is the form? Ayan. Then aihi. Then aitam, aita. I'm just giving the lang rupam of like apatata, apatatam, apatana, like that. All you can see. Ayam, then aiva, aima. This is lang rupam of indhatu. Understand?
Correct. Yes.
Similarly, lot laka. You need not write everything. I'm just writing some few. Okay, that is enough. So all these are the form of indhatu, beginning with what letter? A and I. Okay. So I will write etc. Ityadi. Okay. So what will happen now? Avarna. Where is that? Yes. Avarna followed by form of indhatu. These are ityadi. Then what will happen? Take this example. A plus A will become I. A plus A will become I. That is what the sutra says. You may ask, why we need this? This is done by Vriddhi Sandhi itself. No, sir. Yengi Pararupam does Pararupa Sandhi. And Apavada to Pararupa Sandhi is only this sutra. Understand? Vriddhi Sandhi is negated by Yengi Pararupam, and Yengi Pararupam is negated by this sutra. Therefore, this sutra is important.
Yes.
So this sutra is written with Yengi Pararupam in mind. Similarly, Ed Dhatu also. Ed Dhatu, Edate. Then what will happen? Lang Lakara, all the form you can take. Edate, Edhete, then Edante. You can see the forms beginning with E. Then Edase, all Edhe, Te. Then Edadve, Edadve. Then Uttama Purusha is Uttama Purusha is what will happen? Edhe, Eda, Vahe,
Edhamahe.
Eda, Mahe. All that form I have written. What will be the interesting? What will be the lung form of Ed Dhatu?
Lung form will be
Art Vriddhi will come. Art Agama will come. Art Vriddhi will happen. I Datha, because Atmanepadi. I Datha. And what about Lot? Lot will be Edatam. Right?
Yes.
You can do future tense also. Rit Lakara, any Lakara you take. Right?
Yes.
So Edatam. Okay, Edatam, one example I will write. Aidata, then Edatam. So you can see all these are forms of that this Ed Dhatu, right? Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
What happened? One minute. This. Yes. So these are some of the examples. So all these are possible. So what will happen if it is A, Pararupam supposed to happen? I will not happen Pararupam. Suppose if it is Avarnanta plus Ait, will Pararupam happen? No. Pararupam is only for A letter, A-O. I is part of I-O. That is H. A-O, I-O. Right?
Yes.
So this is not covered in Pararupa. Therefore, this part is naturally covered by Vriddhirechi.
Correct.
Understand? That's what I'm saying.
Actually, I think this is covered by artist because this is Lang Lakara, no?
Already given Dang Lakara, the form is given. Atashta Vriddhi is done. Now with that, Upasarga is written. What will happen? Upa plus Ait. Is
Then is
Atashta Vriddhi done?
Vriddhirechi.
Okay, don't confuse. Don't get confused. This is different. Here Atashta already done. After that only I you are getting. Otherwise, how will you get Ait? Huh? You will have only 8. You understand
Okay.
or not?
Yes, yes, understood.
See, it was actually it is 8. Art Agama is there. Then Vriddhi you apply, Ait has happened. So that Ait, a word is there before, we are a prefix ending with Avarna. We are adding it. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, it's Vriddhirechi. Correct.
Now understand. So, so if it is A, then Yengi Pararupam will apply. That is negated by this sutra. If it is I, will Yengi Pararupam apply? No, because Yengi is A and O. I is not part of the Yeng. So anyway, it is going to be Vriddhi
Vriddhirechi.
by Vriddhirechi. Now, there only the catch is. Please follow. So Vriddhirechi is supposed to happen, right?
Correct.
So Vriddhirechi can apply, or the same sutra 89 can apply. 88 can apply, or 89 can apply. Yes or no? If you apply any one of them, Vriddhi is going to happen. Understand or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Then what you will apply? Both, anyone you can apply, you get the same. I mean, Vriddhi is going to happen. Now, 88 will apply or 89 will apply. You cannot say anyone. My choice, I will apply this one. That is also a rule. If two sutras are simultaneously applicable in a context, you have to go by the later sutra. It's a rule.
By the later sutra.
Yes. Last in first application.
Oh, okay.
Vipratishede param karyam. One paribhasha is that. When two sutras have equal applicability, then always the later sutra precedes. So therefore, Eti Adati Utsu only can apply. We cannot apply with the Rechi. Okay, I will do some example here because I don't see the face of understanding. I will do it. Okay, I'll take first this example. In Dhatu, let me write like this. Form of in Dhatu. Form of, these are the forms of in Dhatus. Okay. I just write like this. Now, taking some Upa plus AT. What will apply? Upa plus AT become Upaiti. This sutra will apply, right? This is Apavada to
Engi Pararupam.
Engi Pararupam. Engi Pararupam. Number
9194.
94. Understand this.
Yes.
Now, I will do all, even though it is same, but still I will do. Now, let me take another one. Yengi, Upa plus Yeshi. What will happen? Upaishi. Again, same thing. Apavada to Engi Pararupam, right? I'm going to do all. Okay. Even though it may be repetition, doesn't matter. Eti, Eshi, Emi. What will happen? Upaimi. We apply Vriddhi. We are not, Vriddhi is negated by Engi Pararupam. Engi Pararupam is negated by this sutra. Therefore, this only you have to apply. Next one you can take. Ye, Ait. Upa plus Ait. Now what will apply? You cannot say Apavada to Engi Pararupam. Because I is not a part of Yeng.
No,
Upa plus I is
this is not a Pavada. It's only this
Vriddhi. Therefore, what is applied here is this sutra only is applied. You have to apply eti, et, e, tat, eti, e, dat, utsu. Et, e, dat, utsu. Am I done correctly? Et,
No.
e, dat, okay, e, dat. It's me, dat, okay, et, e, dat. Et, e, dat, utsu.
Yes.
This is applied. What number? This is 61?
So is Hraswan.
No, 89.
So-
89.
Huh?
89.
So short two.
Oh, sorry, this is who? Yeah. Okay, et, e, dat, utsu. This is applied, not Vriddhirechi. Why? Because Vriddhirechi. Why not Vriddhirechi? Because this sutra comes later. Paratvam. Okay,
Yes.
Vriddhirechi. Paratvat. Okay, I will write the word, you try to understand. Paratvat. Paratvat means since follows, since it is later. Paratvat. Paratvat means the follows, following, later sutra. Paratvat, et edatsu will apply, not Vriddhirechi. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, this is enough. Then other things we can see already. So if it is ith, here also this sutra will apply. Here also this sutra will apply. Okay, all the forms.
Mhm.
Similarly, for form of ed dhatu also, if you take ed dhatu, ed. These are the forms of ed dhatu. Let me do some, at least one or two I will do. Upa plus edate. Upa plus edate. Upaidate. Apavada to yengi pararupam. Right? Yes
Yes.
or no? Yes, apavada.
Yes.
Then next one we can take. Upa plus, let me take here. Where is that? Aidata. Aidata is lung rupam, lung form, past tense. Upa plus aidata becomes upaidata.
Wait, that-
Here, what sutra applies? This eti edatu also will apply, not vriddhirech, because paratvat. Understand?
Yes.
That's what is that? Okay, the example I thought of writing, but anyway, it is there. So you can note that. Okay, very good. This is example number 3. So, therefore, upa plus iti, upaiti done. Here, upaiti, okay, third example not required. Already I've done this. This is number 3. Okay, so, therefore, this sutra says avarnanta upasarga. You can take even though upasarga is not mentioned. See, the form of inda to kriyapadam, which is preceded by avarnanta, means it should belong to upasarga. What else? Right?
Mhm.
Now we
Yes.
can understand. If you say Rama plus Edate, it's a Vriddhirechi. That is done by Vriddhirechi. Okay. Otherwise, Vriddhirechi Sutra not required. Right? So, even though Upasarga is not mentioned, it is that only. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
See, here, I'm just checking whether this is, just a minute. Eti edati utsu. This is number is 6189. This sutra. We see all the examples he has given were only with Upasarga in the Siddhanta Kaumudi and all. Okay.
All with Upasarga.
All with Upasarga. Siddhanta Kaumudi. Dhatu. 1 minute. Just thinking. To Sarnabhinga or na followed by form. Okay. It's all given Upasarga. Upasarga, if it is different from Upasarga, then with the Adesha. Even from Rama plus Eti, suppose if it is there, okay, for that specific, we have to apply this. Okay, even if it is Rama plus Eti, then Rama Eti, then we have to apply this Eti Edati Utsu. As I told, Vipati Shere Param Karyam, Paratva, the sutra to be applied. It's a good question actually. But Vriddhi Sutra is there. Vriddhi Rechi also applicable. This sutra is also applicable. Since both sutras are applicable, we can go by this sutra. This is only for the two dhatus, in dhatu, ed dhatu.
Correct.
When followed by. Okay, we have to apply.
Because of this Paribhasha Sudra.
Yeah, because of the Paribhasha, Vipati Shere Param Karya. We have to apply. This is only for these two dhatus. The sutra is written mainly as an apavada to Yengi Pararupa. Okay. Yes. I think that is enough. I think that is okay. This is enough. We'll go to the Vartika we were saying. But I have not seen any example. All the examples are given with only Upasarga. So I was surprised. I was just thinking. Anyway, no problem. Let us, if anything extra is there, I'll let you know. Next class. Okay, we find something. All examples are Upasarga only. Okay. Now, Vartika we saw. Akshat, Uginyam, Upasankhyanam. Here, Aksha is followed by Ugini. You can split this, in fact. Akshad. See, I think you can do it. It's not difficult. Akshad is Panchami, right? Akshad
Yes.
Panchami, then Ugini. Akshad plus Ugini. Then Upasankhyanam. Upasankhyanam is should be enumerated, should be told, should be mentioned. That's the meaning. In all the Vartika, you will see this word. Not all the Vartika, almost in all. Upasankyanam. This should be enumerated. Akshat is Panchami. It is 5-1. So, if Purva Pada is Akshat, that is, if Panchami means it is Purva, right? If Purva is Akshat, and the following word, Ugini, it is Ugini, Aksha, Ugin. Sorry. Akshat, Uginyam, Ugini, Uginyam is the
Saptam.
Saptami it is. Okay. Ugin Yam. Ugini like Nadi. Nadyam. Uginyam. So that is how you have to take it. Then write this below. So Akshat, Uginyam, Upasankyanam. So Uginyam is 5-7-1. The following word is then Purva Parayogastane. By this, what happens? You get A plus U instead of Guna, Vriddhi will happen. Patikakara says Vriddhi happens. This is we have seen. Next one.
But that nakara is not dental. Uhini.
Uhinyam. What is given in the
Yeah, that is okay, but in the split.
split?
There.
Akshad. Yeah, it is Uhini, Akshohini. Yeah, without split, it is not dental. It must be here. It must be dental. Okay. Here it must be dental. When you join, that Padanta Nakara will become Muddan Nakara. That is Nattom. Okay.
And in the line below.
Yes, that also. Here also it must be Ugini Shabde Pari. It should be like this. You're right. Because only when you join, it becomes, because of Shakara here, this Nakara will become Nakara, Muddanya Nakara. So it's a good point. Okay. I just wrote like this. Ugini. Everywhere it is like that. Ugini.
This
Then
is
when you do,
this
when it
is
becomes,
also, we will see this sutra.
which one?
This sutra about this transformation when the na is preceded by sha, it turns to be na.
Yes, exactly. That is why I wrote like this because I don't want to tell that sutra now. Because you told, that's why I changed it. That's the reason. Otherwise, this question will come. He has this question. That's why. Since I think you know already you have studied Nattam, right? This Nakara becomes Nakara. You would have studied, right? Yes or no?
In the Antoine, there is
Yeah.
this rule, and
Yeah, exactly.
he put the sutra, but I don't remember the sutra.
Not sutra. You just given one form. One word is there. One something. A farmer went something. One line will be there in Antoine. I've seen. Yeah. That is if Repa, Shakara, Rikara, and is there, and Nakara is there. In between these letters are there. Something that all the letters will be given, and he is given an easy way to remember. Farmer went somewhere, something like that. One line will be there for you to remember. Is given. Actually, okay, I will see the sutra later because you asked me. That is why I don't want to. That's why I didn't. I intelligently put Nakara. But since you asked, let me tell. Repa Muddane Shakara Rikara precedes Nakara, which is not at the end of the Padam. Please note, okay? Followed by some other letters. This should be Apadanta Nakara. Nakara should not be at the end of the Padam. Preceded by Repa, Shakara, Rikara, any one of them. Then this will undergo Nattvam. This is called Nattvam. Now, immediately not preceding this. These are suppose intervened by some letters. Then also it will happen. What are those letters? Only if those letters, okay, other than the other letters come, then this Nattam will not happen. What are those permissible letters, allowable letters? That also, doesn't prevent. What are those letters? That is at, ku, pu, num, ang upasarga. Even when this letter precedes, Nattam will, intervenes, Nattam will happen. At means I1, Ruluk, Aong, I ouch, Ayavarat. That is all the vowels, Sakara plus semi vowels. Who means all the Kavarga letters. Kakagaganga. Pu Papa Babama. Num is Numagama Nakara. Ang is A. Even if this precedes one or more, then also Nattam will happen. This is what in Antoine you will have seen in the form of a something sentence you would have given. Okay, so here it is there. Here, if you see, Aksh, Shakara. Here it is a Shakara is there, right? Mudane Shakara. U, He, then Nakara plus E. This Nakara not at the end of the Padam. Preceded by Hakara plus E. Ikara is at letter. Ha is also at letter. U is also at letter. And Shakara is here. Therefore, this Nakara will become Nakara. Understand?
Yes. But
Yes.
this comes into Vyanjanani
Huh?
Sandhi. This comes into consonant Sandhi or no?
This comes in, this is not a Sandhi.
Yeah, this is not a Sandhi. Like, how do you call this?
This we call by the name Natvam. Natta Vidhi.
Not forbidden. Oh.
Natto means Muddani Nakara becomes, sorry, Dante Nakara becomes Muddani Nakara.
Mhm.
That is, Nakara becomes Nakara.
And also
That's
this
called
happens
Natto.
with the sa changing to
Yeah. You're asking everything, you want to know everything today.
yeah, like meaning this is called
Yes.
Shatvam or Satvam. There is
Yes, Sakara will become Muddane Shakara, that is called Shatto.
oh, very nice, interesting. This
Similarly, something called Shakara is there, that will become Sakara, that is Satto.
oh,
All these things are there. We'll see slowly. Okay, we are in Sandhi. We are in the outside the gate. We are not entered into the campus. Okay.
okay.
Yes,
It's
long way to go.
just curiosity.
Okay, all these things we will see. Anyway, actually, now it's okay. This I don't want to tell, but you corrected. I also corrected and made it. Okay. Akshad Uhinya. Here nothing happened. Doesn't happen. Why? Why? Here it is not shown. Why it is not that? Why it doesn't happen?
Because there is a the in the middle.
Exactly. There is no sandhi. This is a one word. This is another word. Separate word. This is happens only within a padam. Okay. This happens only within the house. If something happens in the neighbor house, what does it matter to me?
That's nice.
Yes.
It should happen within my house, within the word. It Akshad is one word. That's why this is a split up. Akshad, Panchami is one padam. This is another padam. Only when you join, become a compound, then when it becomes one word, then only it will happen. Otherwise, it will not. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Akshadoginyam. This Nattam we will see later. Don't worry about it now. Anyway, I showed this.
Very nice.
Then Swadi, this Vartika, I think in the book, not there anyway given. The Tadyayi. Swadi, here also, you can see Nakara is there. What happened? Nattuam, because of Repa. Swadi, Rinoho, right? Inoho. It is, Inoho means, it is,
Dvivachanam.
it is, sorry?
Saptami Dvivachanam. 7-2.
Iri Noho, yes. Saptami Dvivachanam. So here you can see Noho, Nattam has happened. Right? Actually, it is Irin. Irin Nakara only. Nakara. So Irin Shabda, like, Karin Shabda. Okay, this is another thing you can see.
Karim, yes. Karim.
Okay, anyway, I don't want to tell now, otherwise, so many things will go somewhere. It says
Okay.
Irin. Okay. So Ira, Irin. For that also it is happened. Ira, Irin. When you join Swairin, okay, Swairin as it is, then we can decline. Swairin is Swairin Shabda, you can decline. Swairi, Swairino, Swairinaha, it will become. Here you can have intelligent Swairin is Srilinga, this is Srilinga Rupam. It is Irin, Pullinga, Irini, Srilinga Rupam. Here Nattam will happen because this is a Padam. This is a Padam, please note. This is a Padam. So we are joining two. But here it is not a Padam. Here it is a Pratipadikam. This is a Padam. Then we get Swairin. This is declinable. Here, this you can decline. Nakarantaha, you can decline. But here already declined it is. Okay. Anyway, don't worry about that.
This eating, this is Pratipadikam also. This is a word, eating.
Eating is a Pratipadikam. Eating.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Nice.
Anyway, let us not get into that. Otherwise, this topic will go. They are doing only Sandhi part. A plus E is supposed to happen. Guna, that is negative. Vriddhi happens. That is the point here. So, ira, irin. Okay. Next one. I think this article here should complete. Next sutra I thought of doing. Then here you can see Prad, Uga. Oh, here also. Mudanya, Dod. So, pra upasargat. That's why Prad. You can see if you split, what you get? Prad. Prad is Panchami. Panchami of pra, like Rama. Pra Shabda. Then you have Uho, Uga, right? Then Uda, right? Then,
Yes.
then what is it? Udi. Then Yesha. Then Aisha. All these words are there. Aisha, Shu, Saptami. So Prat is Panchami. All the other words, one word is Saptami, Bhagavachanam. Right?
Yes.
So this pra upasarga followed by this, then what will happen with these words follow? Guna supposed to happen, that is negated. What will happen is vriddhi. That's why this vartikam is there. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see that here in this file. Aksha plus ugini, a plus u becomes au. Swa plus iraha, a plus e becomes I. Swairaha. Swa plus iri, a plus e becomes I. Swa plus irini, a plus e becomes I. Swairini. Pra plus ugaha, a plus u, praugaha. Pra plus uda, a plus u, praudaha. Similarly, pra plus udi becomes praudihi. Pra plus esha, praishaha. Okay. All these words up to this only in this vartika. Other words in the next vartika. So pra upasargat, when these words follow, pura parayogastane vriddhihi adeshaha bhavati. Right? Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I think you can see this next vartika. Here you can see Pravatsara Kambala. Here only I did some mistake. That Vasanar Nava. Vasa. What is it? Vasanar Nava. Vasanarna. Vasanarna. Then Dashanam Rene. This will not be there. Dashanam Rene. Yes. So pra is Purva. Then Vatsara, Kambala, Vasana, Dasha, Rina Ityete Byaha. Some words are missing it. Because in the book it is given Vasana, then Vasana, Arna, Vasana Arna. What is that word I'm missing? 1 minute. Some words I miss here. So pra Kambala Rina. Okay, Rina word I'm missing. Rina word, yeah, put it here. Vasana, this should come here. Vasana plus Rana Vasanarna, right? Then Dasha plus Dashanam. Okay, Dashanam, okay, Dasha. Yes, this should come like this. Yes. Rana should come. Vasa plus Rana, Vasanar, Vasana plus, yeah, Vasana plus Rana.
I think it's Vatsatara.
It is Vatsatara, right? It is Vatsatara only.
But here is written Vatsara.
Vatsatara. Sorry. Oh, yeah. Vatsatara. I think typing problem. Very well. It's Vatsatara. Vatsatara. Vatsatara, then Kambala, Vasana, Rina. Okay. Yes. Dasha, Rina, Dasha ityetebhyaha shabdebhyaha. Rine. So when pra or Vatsatara or Kambala or Vasana or Rina or Dasha. Okay, very fine. Followed by Rina Shabda. Followed by Rina Shabda. Then both will be replaced by the Vriddhi letter. Example, pra plus Rinam. What will happen? Prarnam. That is what I have given here. Let's see this file. Pra plus Rinam. Prarnam, not guna, Vriddhi. Vatsara plus Rinam. A plus R becomes Vriddhi, R. Vriddhi Sandhi. A plus R. Urandra Praha also applies. Don't forget, huh? Kambala plus Rinam. Kambalarnam, not Kambalarnam. Vasana plus Rinam. Vasanarnam. Dasha plus Rinam. Dasharnam. Okay, these are Kambala plus Rinam. Kambalarnam, already given. Vasana plus Rinam. Vasanarnam. Dasha plus Rinam. Okay, Dasha. That's what given here. So you can see the example. Prarnam, Vatsararnam, Kambalarnam, Vasanarnam, Dasharnam, Rinarnam. Okay.
Okay.
Not so important. This is we never see this on the okay. Words are there for that Vartika is. Now the next Vartika is there. Pratya Chattatya Samase. Do you have time to do this or later? You have time?
Me okay.
I have time to do one more.
Okay. With this we'll stop. So this is about the compound. Okay, what do you know about the compound? Please tell me.
With the compound, what
Yeah,
do we
just,
know about samasa?
Yeah, samasa, yes.
Okay, so samasa is the junction of two or more.
Oh, one more thing. Sorry, just a minute
Pratipadi.
before that.
Yes.
One more thing here is something it is there in this.
I have a question with the last one.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, why this is Shashti
Okay,
Bahuvachanam.
Dasha. All right. Let's. In fact, I have never spent so much time on this Vartika in any of my class. Okay, so you're asking one question on Vartika. That too, you're at the basic level. Okay. No, it's good only. You're asking at least this thinking is there. Appreciate the thinking. But so far nobody asked me also. Yes, appreciate.
Yes.
So here you see
This is
Saptami. The following one is Saptami, right? Then this is 6-3.
6-3 is
Because many words are there.
Yes.
What is the last word? Last word is
Dashanam. This nam is
Dashanam.
Dirgha.
Okay, this is Nam. Yeah, you're asking a question and then I will tell one thing. Yeah, please ask.
Yeah, this is Shashti. But why Shashti? And like the previous one we were seeing, for example, this Praduho Dho Sheshu is Panchami.
Yes.
So no problem. Panchami or Shashti, for both we can understand.
No, it is Shashti is there. We can consider it as Panchami. That's it. That's why in the explanation it's given iti ete byaha iti Panchami. So we change the vibhakti when we explain. Even though in the Vartika it is there, right? But we can change it. It's called vibhakti parinama.
Oh.
When we explain, we have to explain that Pravatsara Kambala Vasanarna Dasha is that. Dasha is the last word. Dashanam is that. We make it into a Dashebhyaha, like that. Panchami. Rine pare, when rina follows. Okay.
Okay.
So you can make it like that. It's called Vivakti Parinama. Since this Vartika under is here, under this, therefore Purva Parayogo Sthane Adeshaka Bhavati, Vriddhiga Adeshaha. So we change the Vivakti, you can change the Vivakti. That is the only answer I can give you. You can change the Vivakti and make it into 5.
But my question is, if Panchami or Shashti is given in the sutra, we have to understand this is the what is coming before.
Sorry, what is that?
Because we saw the Saptami is the word is coming after.
Yeah.
And the Panchami or Shashti is what coming before.
Not Panchami and Shashti. Before Saptami, Shashti will be there. And Shashti will be there after Panchami. Right?
Okay.
Saptami Vibhakti tells you where the Karya happens. Karya happens in the Sthani. So Sthani is located before the word which is in Saptami. Panchami Vibhakti tells the Karya happens immediately after that. So Sthani is located after. But here, Sthani, we don't have to struggle to find because Ekaha Purva Parayoga is given. Right? In the place of preceding and succeeding. Therefore, we don't have to apply that paribhasha at all here.
Okay.
You don't have to apply. Tasmin iti nidishte purvasya, tasmad iti uttarasya. That doesn't find application. That you have to apply only when you are not sure of the Sthani. When you are not able to find the Sthani from the sutra, because there are no words in Shashti Vibhakti, Ekaha Purva Parayoga like that not there, then you have to apply the paribhasha. When it is very clearly given, this is a Sthani, Ekaha Purva Parayoga, then you don't apply the paribhasha. Not required. Paribhasha to be applied only when it is required. When you want to interpret the sutra, otherwise interpretation not possible. Otherwise, Sthani is not possible. But here, Ekaha Purva Parayoga is very clearly the 6184 Adhikara Sutra. It is. Right? That says Adesha happens in the place of both preceding and succeeding. That is why I'm saying, since the Vartika is there, change this Dashanam into Dashebhyaha.
No problem.
So when you change it, then Pravatsara, Kambala, Vasana, Rina, Dasha, Ityetebhyaha. After this, Rina Shabda follows, then Purva and Para will be replaced by Vriddhi Adesha. Understand?
Yes.
Is it clear? No. Okay. Now my question is, you see this, I'm asking you a question, okay?
Okay.
This is the one. Pra is there. Vatsatara is there. Kambala, Vasa, Vasanarna, Dashanam. But here I have written Vasana. Then Vasanarna, what is Vasanarna?
Okay. This is already applying the
Exactly. Very good. That's what it is. Yeah. Vasana followed by Rina. This is a compound. The whole thing is a compound. Pra plus, Vatsatara plus, Kambala plus, Vasana plus, Rina plus, Dasha plus, Shashti Vibhakti, that Prataya Am. So just somewhat Am. So here, Vasana plus Rina, Vasana followed by Rina Shabda. So here itself, this Vartika is applied. Vriddhi happens. That way, Vasana Arna. It's a very important catch. Okay. You can note this. Important thing. Yeah. Like in the Sutra, Sandhi Sutra itself, Sandhi will be there. So here itself, it is there. Okay, very good. This is what I wanted to say. Okay. Then, last one. Okay, coming back to Samasa. I said Samasa is Tritiya Samasa. Tritiya Samasa. Tritiya Samasa means Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa. I tell you what it is. Samasa, you will have two members. Purva Padam, Uttara Padam, right?
Yes.
So Tritiya Samase, Rite Tritiya Samasa. Okay, what is Rite? I mean, what Vibhakti? Rite, Saptami.
7-1.
7-1. So Rite is the Uttarapada, right? Tritiya Samase, Uttarapada Rupene Vidyamanasya Rita Shabdasya. You can understand the statement. In the Tritiya Tatpurusha compound, Rita Shabda is Uttarapada, the following member. If the Uttarapada, the following member is Rita Shabda, right? Rita Shabda, and beginning with what? Rikarasya. So that Rikara, Purva Padante, in the Purva Padante Vidyamanasya, Avarnena Saha, it means Purva Pada ending with A, Uttara Pada beginning with R, because Rite, A plus R. What's supposed to apply? Adgunaha, right?
Correct.
That will not apply. When the Uttara Pada is Rita Shabda, when the Uttara Pada is Rita, in the case of a compound, Tritiya Tatpurusha compound, A plus R generally Adgunaha will apply. That will not be applied. Instead, what will happen? A plus R, it will not become R, it will become R. In the case of Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa. Now, see the example. Sukhena Ritaha. This is a compound. We are going to make compound. Sukha is one pada. Rita is another pada. So Sukha plus Rita. We are going to join. We are going to make connect the words by samasa. Compound two words. Make it into one word. So Sukha plus Rita. They become one, and you get a new pratipadikam. Please note. You can join this two words and convert and make them into a one pratipadikam.
Yes.
Pratipadikam noun based. That can be declined. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Like Rama plus Ishvara, Rameshwara. And Rameshwara is Akaranta Shabda. Rameshwaraha, Rameshwaro, Rameshwaraha, you can decline. Similarly, Sukha plus Rita becomes, when you join, A plus R, what will happen? Supposed to become Guna, but this is a compound. What compound? Tritiya Tatpurusha. Tritiya means Purva Pada, you will have Tritiya Vibhakti. Sukena, Ramena, like that. Tritiya Vibhakti.
Yes.
That is why it's called Tritiya Tatpurusha. If it is Shashti Vibhakti, then Shashti Tatpurusha. Ramasya Ishvaraha Shashti. If it is Saptami, then Saptami Tatpurusha. Understand?
Yes.
So Sukhena, the Vibhakti here is Tritiya. That is why it's called Tritiya Tatpurusha. Only in the case of Tritiya Tatpurusha, what happens? That Rikara of Rita Shabda, Uttarapada, when preceded by Avarna, A plus Vriddhi will happen. The first Sukhartha you get. Sukha plus Rita is not Sukhartha. Sukhartha. Suppose if it is not a Samasa, then what will happen? If it is okay, if it's not a Tritiya Tatpurusha, if it is a Karmadharya, Samasa, then example.
Then Guna.
Parama plus Rita, Paramartha, then Guna happens. Whatever the rule, general rule applies, that you apply. A plus Guna will happen. Okay. So for that only this is example. This is only for one word. When Rita, the word follows Avarnanta Shabda. In the case of Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa, Vriddhi will happen. Otherwise, Guna only. This will be important only when you do Samasa. So don't worry about this. This Sutra, Vartikam is covered. Right?
Yes.
Now you read this. Tritiya Samase, Uttarapada Rupena Vidyamanasya Rita Shabdasya Rikarasya. Rikara of the Rita Shabda, the Uttarapadam. Purvapade Vidyamanasya Avarnena Saha. With the Purvapada ending with Avarna, Adgunaha iti anena praptam gunaika desham baditva. Gunadesha, which is supposed to happen, is dismissed. Having dismissed that, what happens? Ariti Vriddhya desha bhavati. Vriddhihi ekadesha bhavati. Vriddhi is ordained. So in Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa, when Avarnanta Purvapada is followed by Rita Shabda, very particular Rita Shabda, then both the Purva and Para will be replaced by Vriddhi, not Guna. We'll stop here. Okay. So please go through this. One round after, go to the class and then write your notes. Anyway, I'm sending everything to you. You don't have to write notes. Everything is there. Only thing you have to go through. Understand? Right?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः. Thank you.
धन्यवादः।
See you.
Mm.